One of my students today, Oscar, asked me about this idiom, that face rings a bell. What does it mean? How can we explain it in normal language? Because this is the interesting thing about idioms. We hear them all the time, we sort of can feel them, which is really important, but then how do you explain exactly what it means? Well, here are a couple of ideas for you. That face rings a bell. That face reminds me of somebody I know. That face looks familiar to me. It's ringing a bell, but I haven't quite got there yet, you know? It rings a bell, it reminds me of somebody, I can't remember who, wait, and then we have a chat and we see, am I right, am I wrong? Do we remember the story? Yes or no? Yeah? Because this happens all the time in the street. You see somebody and go, don't I know you from somewhere? Your face rings a bell. Yeah. And imagine that bell ringing in your head as you're doing it. Yeah? So that face rings a bell, there's the idiom, and it basically means it reminds me of somebody I know. It looks familiar to me in some way. Okay?